Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to change your homepage on Wix. This is incredibly useful if you've created a new landing page or simply want to refresh your site's first impression for visitors. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. Let's jump right in. First, you'll need to go to the Wix website and log in to your Wix account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on your Wix dashboard. Look over to the left navigation menu and click on Site and Mobile App. A drop-down selection will appear with several options. From here, click on Website. This takes you to the specific settings for your website, where you can manage everything related to your site's structure and design. Now, from this page, you can preview the website settings you currently have. This is an important step because you want to make sure that this is indeed the website you wish to change the homepage on. If you have multiple sites under your account, double-checking here saves you from making changes to the wrong project. Next, locate the Design Site button. You'll typically find this on the top part of your screen, usually beside a pen icon. This button is your gateway into the actual editing environment where you can make visual and structural changes to your site. Go ahead and click on it. You'll now be directed to the Wix website editor screen. This is where the magic happens. Start by locating the Pages and Menu button, which is positioned on the left navigation menu. Click on it to open up the Page Management panel. This section gives you complete control over all the pages on your website, allowing you to organize, edit, and set specific functions for each one. You'll now be presented with a list of all your website pages. Take a moment to locate the one you wish to set as your new homepage. Once you've found it, hover your cursor over that page. You'll see a three-dot icon appear, also known as the More Actions button. Click on it, and an option window will pop up with several actions you can take for that page. From the list of options, look for the one that says Set as Homepage and click on it. Here's something important to note. Wix will immediately change your homepage to the page you've selected without asking for confirmation. So make absolutely sure you're selecting the correct page you wish to set as your new homepage before clicking, because the change happens instantly. And that's it. You've successfully changed your homepage on Wix. Your visitors will now land on the new page you've selected whenever they first visit your site. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.